In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to set up and manage two-factor authentication in the Flowtify web dashboard. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds an extra one-time security code on top of your password, giving your account a much stronger layer of protection. As an admin, you'll find all 2FA settings in the Location Overview under Accounts and Access in the 2FA Requirements section. Here, you can see every rule that's already been created. Click the plus icon to add a new rule and give it a name. With the latest activation date option, you define when the rule becomes mandatory for the selected user group. You can apply the rule to individual users, to specific roles, certain locations, or to your entire company at once. Once you save the rule, it becomes active. The next time affected users log in, they'll be prompted to set up 2FA before they can continue. This applies to both the web dashboard and the mobile apps. To help you stay on top of things, check the User Accounts overview. You can quickly see who has already enabled 2FA and who still needs to complete the setup, especially useful for larger teams or when onboarding new employees. If 2FA has been activated for your own account, you'll be prompted to complete the setup. If a grace period is active, you can temporarily skip this step until the final deadline. To set up your personal 2FA, go to My Account Settings and select Activate 2FA in the Two-Factor Authentication section. Then choose whether you want to use an authenticator app or receive your codes by email. When using an authenticator app, scan the QR code displayed on the screen with the app on your phone. Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, and Authy are all supported. Once set up, the app generates a new 6-digit code every 30 seconds. Be sure to store your personal backup codes in a password manager. They're essential if you ever lose access to your Authenticator app or can't check your email. Those who prefer not to use an Authenticator app can choose to receive a one-time code by email instead. You'll get a new code for every login, and once it's accepted, 2FA is fully activated for your account. When the grace period has expired and 2FA is still not set up, the system will automatically prompt you to complete the setup during your next login, whether in the app or in the web dashboard. You can remove your 2FA settings only if the admin has made 2FA not mandatory for your role or location. If it is required, deleting your setup will simply restart the onboarding flow, and you'll be prompted to set it up again immediately. That's everything you need to confidently enforce 2FA as an admin and set it up as a user.